Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me in the Allen Block workshop to learn about one of our available online tools that will benefit you in selling more Allen Block projects. What I will walk you through today is how to use the AB Metro Patio Wall Design and Estimating tool. The AB Metro Patio Wall collection will allow you to design outdoor spaces as if they were inside. Wouldn't it be nice for your customers to enjoy the game under the stars, or serve a family meal, or host a company event in fresh open air? Well, make their dream come true within minutes as you bring their vision to life. This tool quickly and easily compiles project information into a complete design packet. It's never been easier to provide your customers with a vision for expanding their home with cutting-edge technology in just a few clicks. Let me share my screen with you so I can show you. Starting from the product page for AB Metro Patio Wall on allenblock.com, you can select the estimating option in the menu, which brings you to the landing page of this online app. No downloads. From this landing page, check out all the different videos available on the product and the app, a photo gallery for inspiration and installation information. To use the tool, start your design. You will now see the optional design choices along the left and the editing buttons across the top. Everything you see here is arranged in a way for you to learn and use the app quickly and efficiently. You can choose one of the pre-designed rooms in a couple different types of categories, or create a custom room by entering the patio area, then placing the pre-designed elements to create the layout desired to create your customer's outdoor space. You can choose many options like counters, islands, and grills. When the design is done, click the Publish button on the top and let us create your package of documents within minutes after you enter your email and submit. Using this tool will allow you to do more in less time when pulling together a design. The package that is sent to you will include a plan view, isometric drawings, room information, a comprehensive estimate, and 3D models in PDF, SketchUp, and other 3D formats. Leverage these new skills and you'll see why using the AB Metro Patio Wall Design and Estimating app will land you even more sales. You'll also save time, which always will save you resources and money too. Let us help you sell to your customers by bringing the inside outside. Happy building! Always better, always Allen Block.